Welcome to Hurry Export Solutions. Here we have a Mercedes C180 compressor. Bodywork was a bit tatty on this one to start with, and the alloys was a bit oxidised as well, so we had all the alloys refurbed, and it's just had a machine polish today. You can see the paintwork's absolutely spotless. If you remove those number plates, you could put this in a Mercedes dealership and you literally think it's a brand new car. The reflection is unbelievable. Very, very impressive finish. Have a look around the front. You can see those refurbed alloys look brand new. The reflection on that bonnet is amazing. Around the near side of the vehicle. Let's take a look inside. Again, the inside looks brand new as well. Very, very nice. Look at the back seats. MG mats. This has got the MG Sport body kit. It's the C180 Compressor Sport, which is the one to have, to be honest. The SE doesn't look that nice, I don't think, in my opinion anyway. I can't go over how good the bodywork's come out. It really was a bit of a state to start with. Now it looks literally brand new. It's amazing. Driver's seat. Folding mirrors as well. Onto it. Folding mirrors. Electric windows all around, as you'd expect. Bluetooth connectivity for the phone. Climate control, manual gearbox. 6-speed. Let's get the engine fired up. Let's see what it sounds like. Trying to stir it down a little bit. Yeah, that supercharger, lovely sound. Very distinctive sound, should I say. It's got quite a good sound system. Probably doesn't do it any justice, that's been filmed on an iPhone. But very, very nice car. Very nice car. Have a look under the bonnet. The engine bay was given a quick clean over as well. Nothing drastic, but quick wipe down. Again, looks pretty much brand new under the bonnet. There we have it, a C180 that's been brought back to a lovely condition, and now it looks lovely. Thanks for watching.